Welcome on board the Meta Instincts channel. Have you ever wondered why some players can instantly reach the top adventure level once the levels are unlocked, but you take days to do it? This video will share some helpful leveling tips and exciting news about Packsify. The adventure level is crucial because it determines the maximum hero level. The maximum adventure level is capped and is slowly unlocked as you progress in the Grand Odyssey. You can check the adventure levels by visiting Grand Odyssey. If your adventure level is below the server's average level, you will have the option to buy level bundles to quickly reach the average level. You can gain adventure experience by exploring the map and killing sea monsters, merchant ships, and armed freighters. Some players might prefer to slay sea monsters for experience, but plundering armed freighters is easier because they're faster to search and kill. If you have purchased the monthly Jade Blessing subscription, you can access the auto combat feature when killing armed freighters. It will automatically search, attack, collect items, and replenish sailors at the port. However, the number of auto combats is limited by your stamina. For example, if you have 1063 stamina, you can only kill up to 17 armed freighters with auto combat. You must do it manually if you need to kill more armed freighters after finishing your stamina. We will cover a tip for the manual method in the later chapter. The Jade Blessing costs around $7 monthly. But thanks to Packsify, the sponsor of this video, we can get up to 28% discount on every purchase. Packsify is a thriving Discord community with over 10,000 members. It has saved players over $4.1 million in the last 3 years. Now, they are launching an app that makes getting discounts easier. Packsify is hosting an app launch contest to celebrate. By joining the waiting list through the link in the description, you get a chance to win $1,000 in Packsify credits. It's simple, click the link below, join the waiting list and our Discord server, and you could be the lucky winner of $1,000 in Packsify credits. Follow them on Facebook, Instagram, X, and other platforms for a bigger chance to win. Hurry up because the winner will be announced on July 15th. Link in the description. Thank you Packsify for sponsoring this video. Tip 1, with stamina. If you didn't buy the Jade Blessing, you can kill the armed freighter manually. Regular armed freighter costs 60 stamina to kill, and leader or patrol costs 300 stamina to kill. They provide the same experience and items if we divide them with the stamina spent. The benefit of killing a leader over a normal one is time saving because killing one leader is equal to 5 normal armed freighters. However, the leader will only appear when we have killed a few normal armed freighters, and it takes some time for cooldown before the next respawn. The first tip we use is to kill armed freighter near a port with fewer players and hope the leader hasn't spawned nearby. We will choose a port without active players and kill the highest level armed freighters until the leader is spawned. A leader will usually spawn after 3 to 5 kills. After killing the leader, we will repeat the process to the next port. If the leader isn't spawned after 5 kills, another player has likely spawned it in a while. We will pick another port to continue. Meanwhile, we will run the commission concurrently since we are actively visiting ports. Besides, we will only kill the armed freighter in the treasure hunt event in the pirate honor. Therefore, we are completing 3 objectives in one work: leveling up, finishing commissions, and completing the pirate honor event. Tip 2, without stamina. When our stamina is out, we can still plunder armed freighters, but we will only earn adventure experience without additional rewards. Continuously killing these freighters will allow us to gain enough experience to reach the maximum level. Since stamina and rewards are unavailable, it's unnecessary to battle the highest level armed freighter. Any level is good as long as you can handle them. Visiting the port to find the leader is unnecessary. Instead, we can defeat multiple armed freighters simultaneously to gain experience more quickly. For example, the current highest armed freighter level is 72. We will search and attack armed freighters ranging from level 68 to 72, or 5 freighters at once. Utilizing damage over time and multi-targeting skills such as Griffin and Lester will allow us to eliminate them rapidly. Stronger players can even defeat more than 5 ships in one go, while weaker players should opt for lower-level armed freighters. For instance, although the maximum level is 112, we will choose armed freighters within levels 80 to 85, given our current account strength is weak. Additionally, this technique should be employed during the season to benefit from damage buffs granted for fighting non-player units through season specialization. This trick is challenging to execute without the season specialization. Replenish sailors at the port when they are insufficient. Upgrading the crew quarters to accommodate more sailors will allow for more rounds to be conducted before replenishment is needed. Following this process can maximize your adventure level on the first day of unlocking. Alright, it is the end of today's sharing. Please subscribe and stay tuned. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.
Set sail on the exhilarating adventure in the world of pirates.